Well, welcome back to Jaguar Mining's channel as we sit in a new precious metal renaissance. I don't know what's going on. Gold is rallying. There's a lot happening here as we're going to talk about production, earnings, and so much more with Jaguar. Joining to discuss Alfred, as always, the CFO. First and foremost, welcome, sir.
Thanks, Kyle.
Always a pleasure to get you back on. I want to dive right into this. Your third quarter production reached 16,912 ounces with a much higher per ton processing gram of 3.67 grams per ton over the last year's 2.95. These results, obviously, I think speak for themselves as gold continues to rally. But tell us what's going on here.
Yes, Kyle, thanks. So that production was pretty level with the Q2 production, although we do anticipate a modest increase in expected production for Q4. And yes, that 24% growth in the head grades really is what has us excited about our production results last week, and that's fueled by higher grade fina ore. Fina contributed 1,800 ounces to the production in the third quarter, as well as ongoing development at our BA zone at Pilar. Underground development is a big focus. That increased by 8% in Q3, and that's really we're working to set up development access to prepare for higher production in 2025, which will include, with these higher gold prices, we actually are mobilizing a contractor to go into our Santa Isabel mine. This is our Paciencia gold complex, which we anticipate will be contributing to production in 2025 and beyond. And so we're pretty excited about all that.
Yeah, and looking forward here, I mean, you're also up 11% on your cash position. You're sitting on 41.6 million. You're in a very robust situation to take advantage of this new gold market. So maybe tell us what we should be paying attention to or what's kind of going on here moving forward with this.
Yeah, thanks, Kyle. So we're really pleased with our we're a gold producer. We have full exposure to these higher gold prices through our margins. We saw that growth in our cash during Q2, and we see that growth now to just under 42 million at the end of Q3. That is despite having fewer ounces sold in the quarter, and also paying cash toward our employee profit sharing, which aligns interest with with shareholders, as well as income taxes and other amounts. But that ongoing cash growth, cash flow generation is expected to enable us to execute our development plans, FINA, expanding it in 2025, BA zone as well, and then into 2026 we'll be developing our ounces to Pitangui project as well. We anticipate to be able to do all this through cash flow generated from operations.
Yeah, on that note, we'll pass it off to the viewers as always. We'd love to know what you think, considering the market we're in. We'd love to do perhaps an investor Q&A. So leave your comments down below. Consider subscribing as news and catalysts like this hit the wire. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that note, as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.